All right, well this is our to-go bench where everybody sits and waits when they place a to-go order, or if their husband or wife is using the restroom. So the bench originally was black, and it worked well with our decor for the first 8 years. But since I put up the new curtains and stuff, I thought I needed to make a new bench cushion for this. So I got it made. And when I went to put it back on, it just did not look well with the black. There was white marks on the bench that I didn't see before, and the bench itself looked really kind of ratty. Not ratty, is that the right word? Scuffed up, how's that? Anyway, so I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and do a light dusting of white paint on it, give it that shabby chic look, and that didn't satisfy me either. And so I put another coat on there, still didn't like it, so I ended up painting this thing, and 3 or 4 coats of paint and touching it up with some highlights with that pink, and I love it. I think it turned out really amazing compared to the black. It really made it set it off. So anyways, I think that's really cool, and I made some pots to go with it. These here are just the plain terracotta pots that you can get at any store, and I painted them and did the shading on them of the colors of the restaurant, and then you have to clear coat them with a water-based varnish, or you can also use a patio varnish, which they usually use over cement blocks or patio blocks to give them a solid water base. Let's see, what's the word I'm looking for? Water repellent, there you go, so that the water doesn't absorb into the terracotta pots. So I got those so that they can match. These plants were a gift from a customer, and they need some help, but they look good with the pots.